Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to geocode. I previously installed the Geocode library, which is what we'll be using. So this is just a screenshot of it. You could just use the command conda install geocode. So then you accept whatever it brings, and it should give you something like this. Then now we could. So basically, geocoding means we are just trying to convert a location into XY. So you have a location anywhere, say your current address, and you're trying to convert it into longitude and latitude. So you're trying to get the longitude and latitude of a particular address. So that's basically what geocoding means. So after installing the GeoPy, so we say from geopy.geocoders. So we import nominating, I'm not quite sure about the pronunciation. So we run this. So nominating is built on OpenStreetMap data. So the next thing we do is we have this variable called geolocator, and we say is equals to, we say, nominating, and this is just something that is constant. So you say user underscore agent and now, so I did a little bit of research and I realized you could just have your email address here. So that also works. So you could just put your email address as the user agent. So the next thing is to have a location we want to geocode. So what's the location you want to geocode? So for me, if I want to geocode my local university here in Nigeria, so we set a variable called location, and this is a particular address we want to geocode. So we call this geolocator, and we call the method. So there's a method called geocode. So basically that's what we want to do. So the particular address, so the address I want to geocode is Obafemi Awolowo University. So we are almost done. So the next thing to do is to just say, so you want to see the address, you can just say print. So you could say print location dot address. No mistake here, right? So it gives us the address of the particular location. So now what we're interested in is the lat long. So we could just say print location dot say longitude. Just copy this and say the same thing, but now we have latitude. Just run this. So this is what we have. Just to make it a little bit more fancy, you could say something like this. It's nothing serious, just formatting the string. So you just run this. So it gives us the latitude is this and the longitude is this. So it's just a brief tutorial on how to geolocate a particular location. So in the next tutorial we'll be learning how to geolocate multiple locations from different addresses, probably in the CSV. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.